Hey everyone, welcome back to Prairie Wings. I'm just going to do a real short video today, and it is in regards to the OnStar delete in these classic Chevy trucks. So that is 99 to 07, but really any OnStar vehicle, all you got to do is find that module and do what I'm going to do with this one. Okay, in these trucks, pretty simple. You open the glove box lid and you just pull that side over. And if we look inside here, I'll show some pictures without the airbag in. But that is the OnStar module. It's pretty straightforward on how you have to deal with these. You just grab a hold of this first one here, pull it out. The next ones you can see right here, they're little tabs. So I'll do this one-handed if I can. I'm pushing in that tab, pull out that plug, push in this tab, pull out that plug, and on this one here, there's a little push tab right here, and leave your module looking like that. Now, what I would recommend is, so you don't have rattles, just zip tie this out of the way, and that is how you get rid of that module. No more big brother looking at you. Now, this is the actual mirror, and everything else in that is going to work just fine. Now that this is deleted, it'd be great. I shared my input on how to get rid of it out of this old truck. So if you have any other vehicles that you know how to get rid of the OnStar or the listening tracking devices, why don't you share that in the comments so that we can all get rid of those if we aren't needing them. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and please fill those comments with tricks on how to get rid of the modules in your vehicles.